The two types of milk P and Q in the ratio of 7:5. The cost price of type P milk is 45 rupees per liter and is sold this mixture at the rate of 56 rupees per liter at a profit of 12%. Means mixture selling price is how much? 56, but you getting a profit 12%. Mixture cost price is always how much? 100%. 20% profit means selling price 120%. In place of 120%, how many rupees are given? 56. Okay. Then, sorry, 12% or 20%? 12%. 12% profit means selling price is how much? 112%. And 112% value 56. Then 100% value 50 rupees. Sir. It is almost half or double? Half. 56 how many times? 2 times. 100 by 2 means 50. That is the cost price of the mixture or selling price of the mixture? Cost price of the mixture. First one quantity is how many parts? 7 parts. Second one quantity 5 parts. Mixture is how many parts? 12 parts. Or what is the mixture cost price? 50. Multiplied by 50, we are get the total cost price of 12 parts. Or yes or no? What is the first one per value? 45. 7 into 45, we are get the cost price of 7 parts or only 1 part? 7 parts. 5 into something, we are get the cost price of 5 parts or plus equal or 7 parts total cost price, 5 parts total cost price. Both are adding, it is total cost price of 12 parts or both sides 5 9 times, 5 ones are 5 how many times? 10 times or 7 nines are 63. 12 tens are 120. Difference is 57. Means question mark value 57. That is the second quantity per kg value or not? Per liter value or per kg value? Per liter. What is the first one per liter? 45. Second one per liter? 57. But mixture per liter? 50. What is the question here? Cost price of type P milk is increased by how much? 20%. And cost price of type Q milk is increased by 30%. Means first one 45 rupees, it is increased by how much? 20%. What is the 20% of 45? 9. After adding 9, it will become how much? 54. 45 is the original price. What is the new price? 54. And type Q milk also increased by how much percent? 35%. What is the type Q milk? 57. It is increased by how much percent? 35%. What is the 30% value? 10% 5.7. 30% means 17.1. Again how much percent? 5%. 10% 5.7. 5% 2.85 or no? 2.85. Total how much value you are adding? 19.95. Adding or subtracting? Adding. Total it is 76.95 or no? Okay. What is the question here? Find the difference between the new cost prices of both the types of milk, sir. We required new prices difference, sir. What is the new prices difference? 22.95. Little bit calculative question. First we need to identify the price of the second one. After that each one increased 20% and 35%. Question number 2. Pipe A can fill a tank in how many hours? 45 hours. Pipe B is 50% more efficient than which one? A. And pipe C can fill the same tank in how many hours? 7.5 hours. Less than the which one? B. First of all, A can fill the tank in how many hours? 45 hours. But B efficiency is 50% more than the which one? A. Means A efficiency 100%, B efficiency 150%. What is the efficiency ratio? 2:3. A and B efficiency 2:3 means A and B time 3:2. 3 parts are 45. What is the one part? 15. Then 2 parts are 30. Then A time is 45 hours, B time are 30 hours, sir. Okay, next, C can fill the tank 7.5 hours less than the which one? B. Means its C time is 22.5 hours, sir. 22.5. And what is the LCM of 45, 30 and 22.5? 90 or not? 45 double 90. Means 90 is exactly divisible by 45, 30 and 22.5. 45 how many times? 2 times. 30 3 times. 22 and a half 4 times, sir. That is efficiencies or time? Efficiencies. Next, pipe A and B open together for how many hours? X hours and closed. After that, pipe C fill the remaining tank X plus 9 hours, sir. A and B together open for how many hours? X hours. What is the together efficiency? 5 parts. Open for X hours, sir. Next, only C is open for how many hours? X plus 9. What is the C efficiency? 4 parts multiplied by X plus 9. It is filling part of first pipe, first 2 pipes, and 4 into X plus 9 means it is filling part of C. These two are adding, we are get the total tank capacity. What is the total tank capacity? 90. Simplify this one, we are get the X value. Okay, it is 5x and it is 4x, total 9x. 4 9s are 36. 90 minus 36, 54. 9 how many times? 6 times, sir. Then x equal to how much? 6. What is the question here? What is the value of x? If anyone doubt, what is the x value? 6. 5 6 are how much? 30. 4 into x plus 9. 60 here. It is 30 parts work is completed and it is 60 parts work is completed. What is the ratio? 1:2. Here also same are given or different? A and B work 1 part, B and C work 2 parts. A and B 30 parts completed, A and B 30 completed, but C 60 parts. What is the ratio? 1:2. Next question number 3. In a quadrilateral PQRS, if a circle touches the sides PQ, QR, RS and PS at the points of A, B, C, D, PQ is given 4.2 centimeters and QR given 6.4 centimeters. The PS is given 5.6. Find the length of side RS. And here a circle touches the sides means then directly we written opposite sides sums are equal or different? Equal. Opposite sides means here it is PQ, opposite side SR means PQ value plus SR value. It is also equal to which one? QR plus PS value. Then QR value plus PS value. Okay, opposite sides sum will be equal. PQ plus SR, it is equal to QR plus PS. What is the QR value? 6.4. What is the PS value? 5.6. These two are adding, we are getting how much? 14 or not? 12 or 14? 12. If it is 12, these two sum also how much? 12. Already PQ is given how much? 4.2. Means SR must be 7.8 or not? What is the right hand side sum? 12. Right hand side sum 12 means left hand side sum also 12. Already we know the PQ value. 12 minus 4.2. What is the answer? 7.8. Next question number 4. How many numbers exist between 100 and 5000 which when divided by 16 and 24 leaves a remainders 9 and 17 respectively? When a number is divided by 16, we are get the remainder 9. The same number is divided by 24, we are get the remainder 17. First take the LCM of 16 comma 24. How much? 48 or 48. Then 48 is less than 100 or more than 100? Less than 100. What is the condition here? 100 and 5000. Then we are taken 48 multiples, sir. 48 2s are 96. It is less than 100. 48 3s are 144. Means LCM we are taken 144. And what is the, when a number is divided by 16, we are get the remainder is how much? 9. What is the difference between divisor and remainder? 7. And what is the second one? 24 is the divisor, remainder is 17. What is the difference? 7. Means if we are adding 7, it is exactly divisible by given number, sir. If we are subtracting 7, we are get the different remainders or same remainders? Different remainders. 144 minus 7, how much? 137 or 137. That 137 is after 100 or before 100? After 100. Actual LCM is how much? 144. But what is the common difference between 16 and 9 and 24 and 17? 7 difference, sir. Okay. If we are adding 7, it is exactly divisible. If we are subtracting 7, we are get the different remainder, sir. Means what is the first number we written? 137. Second number, what is the difference between 48 and 7? 41. Then we return 41 multiples, sir. 137 and 41, how much? 178 or sorry, 137 plus 48, how much? 185 or 185. Means if you are divide 185 is divided by 16, we are get the remainder. 16 ones are how much? 16. What is the remaining value? 25. 25 means how many times? One time or not? What is the remaining? 9 or not? The same 185 is divided by 17. 17 one time 17. What is the remaining? Sorry, it is divided by 24 or 17? 24. 24 almost 7 times or not? 24 sevens are how much? 168. What is the remainder? 17 or not? 24 sevens are how much? 168. What is the remaining value? 17. Means first number is how much? 137. Second number is how much? 185. Next number 185 plus 48 or 185 plus 48, it is 233 or not? So on. What is the largest number here? 5000. That is divided by which one? 48 or not? 48. 48 ones are how much? 48. What is the remaining? 200. 200 means it is 0 4 or not? 48 4s are how much? 48 100 times how much? 4800. What is the remaining? 200 or not? In 200 is divided by 48. How many times are divided? 4 times or not? What is the remaining value we are getting? $5,000 is divided by which one? 48. One time. What is the remaining? 2. 00. Okay. 0. 48 10 times means we are getting 480. Okay. 48 how many times? 4 times. 192. What is the remainder? 8. If you are get the remainder 8 means how much value are exactly divided? 4 9 9 2 or not? 4 9 9 2 or not? 4 9 9 2. But every case, what is the difference between remainder and divisor value? 7 or not? We are subtracting 7 or adding 7? Subtracting 7. What is the value? 4 9 8 5 or not? Okay. That is the last number or first number? Last number or not? What is the last number actually? 5000 is divided by 48. What is the remainder? We are getting 8. We are get the remainder means 4992. It is exactly divisible by which one? 8. If you are if it is exactly divisible by 8 means there is no remainder. But here first case remainder is how much? 9. Second case remainder 17. If you are adding 7, it is exactly divisible. If you are subtracting 7, we are get the different remainders or same remainders? Different remainders. Means what is the last number? 4985. What is the first number? 137. Last number 4985. What is the question here? How many numbers exist or not? How many numbers are existed? Means last term minus first term by common difference or not? What is the common difference? 48 or not? Plus 1 or not? Okay. 4985 minus 137. 5 minus 7 means 15 minus 7, 8. 17 minus 3, 4. 48 minus 49 minus 1, 48. Divide by how much? 48. 48 how many times? 1, 0, 1. Plus 1. Total how many terms we are getting? 1 or 2 terms or not? Actually here fifth option wrong is given. Actually it is 1 or 2. 1 or 2 terms we are getting. Key wrong. It is 1 or 2 terms. Here remainder case are given. First case remainder 9. Second case remainder 17. What is the difference between 16 and 7? 16 and 9 difference? 7. 24 and 17 difference? 7 or not? That 7 we are subtracting or adding? Subtracting or not? Next question number 5. The simple interest on a certain sum for 5 3 by 4 years at 7 2 by 3% per annum is 46,552. What will be the amount of this sum, same sum, after 9.5 years at 8 5 by 6% per annum at simple interest? Okay. And 5 3 by 4 years. What is the fraction? 23 by 4 into what is the rate of percent? 7 2 by 3. How much? 23 by 300. 23 by 300 of certain principal. If R value 5%, time period 4 years, then we are multiply or added? Multiply or not? Here what is the rate of percent? 23 by 300. Time period is 23 by 4. Those two are multiplied. Here 20% of which one? P we written or not? Here also same or different? Same. 23 by 4 into 23 by 300 of P value equal to interest or not? What is the interest value are given? 46,552. That is equal to how much? 46,552 or not? Next, what will be the amount of the same sum? Second case required amount value or not? Amount means principal plus interest or not? Principal plus interest. What is the second case rate time period? 9.5 years. 9.5 years means written 19 by 2 into what is the rate of percent? 8 5 by 6. It is 53 by 600. 53 by 600 of 53 by 600 of certain principal. P means only principal. This one is interest. Principal plus interest, that is equal to amount value. Amount we required, this amount value. Okay. Simplify this one. We are get the, first of all we are get the first one are solving, we are get the P value. Substitute the P value in second one, we are get the amount. R. What is the right hand side value? 46,552. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 multiple. Right hand side 11 multiple means P value also 11 multiple, because there is no cancellation values of 11 in left hand side. P value are 11 multiple means principal is 11 multiple, interest also 11 multiple. Together value also 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option No. Third option. No. Fourth option. 1 plus 4 5 plus 1 6 9 plus 2 11 11 plus 6 17 17 and 6 difference 11 or means fourth one or difference must be either 0 or 11. Then answer fourth option or third option? Fourth option. Next question number 6. Study the data. The bar graph given below shows the total number of problems received by 5 network companies in hundreds or thousands. Hundreds means each one value is multiplied by 100. And what is the first one? The line graph shows the percentage of unresolved problems out of the total problems received by respective network companies. First one, total number of problems. Second one, resolved problems or unresolved. Unresolved problems are out of 110, how much percent are unresolved? 35%. Means resolved is how much percent? 65%. Total problems means resolved problems plus unresolved. Out of 110, 35% are unresolved means resolved problems are 65%. What is the question here? Find the total unresolved problems by S and R together. Unresolved value of S. What is the S percentage? 30%. Of which one? 54. 30% of 54. 16.2 or 16.2. Next R. What is the R percentage? 45%. Of which one? 94. Actually these two are adding, we are getting the answer. Okay, 54 is 9 multiple, 45 also 9 multiple. Individual values are 9 multiple means together value also 9 multiple. First option 9 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. Yes. Fourth option. No. Second one actually 45% of which one? 94. These two are adding, we are get the sum value. Okay, that must be which one multiple? 9 multiple. Which option? Third one. Next question number 7. Value of square root of b minus a required if 2 minus 2 by something minus 3 plus 3 by 2 plus something. Okay, first one, second one priority. 2 plus 5 by 7 means 19 by 7, that is written 7 by 19. 7 by 19, this total value is how much? 7 by 19. 19 to the how much? 38 plus 7 45 by 19. 45 by 19, 1 by 45 by 19 means it is 19 by 45. 19 by 45, this total value is how much? 19 by 45. Again we return 2 plus 2 plus 19 by 45 means 45 to the 90 plus 19 means 109 by 45. 109 by 45 already numerator 2. Then 2 by 109 by which one? 45. This one we return 90 by 109. Means this total value we return how much? 90 by 105 by 90 by which one? 109. 2 minus 90 by 109. Okay. Next, 2 minus 90 by 109 means 109 2 times 218 minus 90 128 by how much value? 109 means up to this term, we are getting how much? Up to this one we are getting how much? 128 by 109. Next, again we need to identify this value. First, 3 plus 2 by 3, 11 by 3 or 11 by 3. 2 by 11 by 3 means 6 by 11 or 6 by 11. 4 plus 6 by 11 or 11 4 is 44 plus 6 50 by 11 means this denominator value we are getting how much? 50 by 11. Already numerator 3. 3 by 50 by 11 means it is 33 by 50. Means entire this value we are getting how much? 33 by 50. 2 plus 33 by 50 or 52 is 100 plus 33. 133 by how much value? 50 or not? Means entire denominator value we are getting 133 by 50 or not? Already numerator 3. 3 into 50, 150. 150 by 30, 133. 150 by 133. Already here minus 3 or plus 3? Minus 3. Then I written here minus 3 or plus 3? Minus 3 plus how much value? 150 by 133. Already 128 by 109 minus 3 or plus 3? Minus 3 plus 150 by 133 or not? What is the right hand side value? A by 109 minus B by 133 or not? 133. Denominators will be same or different? Same. One 128 minus 109 into 3 or not? What is the 109 into 3? 327. 327 by how much value? 109 plus 150 by 133 equal to A by 109 minus B by 133. First 128 minus 327. What is the difference? 199 or 199. Negative 199 or positive 199? Negative 199 by how much value? 109 plus 150 by 133 equal to A by which one? 109 minus B by 133 or not? Okay, means it is which one term? A term or B term? B or A? If it is positive value, this one negative value, and here right hand side A is the positive and B is the negative value or not? Means B is how much? Denominators 133, 133 same or not? Means B value are how much? Minus 150 or plus 150? Minus 150. A value 199 or 199. A is R, left hand side it is multiplied by negative value, right hand side also multiplied by negative value or not? Then we are get the B is how much? Minus 150. A value are how much? 199. What is the question here? Square root of which one? B minus A. Square root of B minus A, how much? Square root of minus 150. A means 199. 150 and 199. I think A value also we are get the negative or positive. What is the value? 128 by 109 minus 3 plus 150 by 133 equal to A by which one? 109 minus B by 133. Okay, 133 into 3 how much? 399 minus 399 or plus 399? Minus 399 plus how much value? 150. What is the remaining? 249 minus 249 or plus 249? Minus 249. Okay, this one I written 128 by 109 minus 249 by 133, that is equal to how much? A by 109 minus B by 133. A equal to how much? 128. B equal to 249 or 249. We required which one? B minus here means 249 minus 128. Square root of 121. Square root of 121 means 11 or this one is correct. Next question number 8. The average of set of 140 observations is how much? 190. If 12 is subtracted from each of the observation and each of the corresponding result is divided by 8, then what is the average of the new set or old set? New set. If each of the number are subtracted from how much? 12, means average also decreased by 12, then we return 90 minus 12, that is the new averager. And each of the number is divided by which one? 8. Each of the number is divided by 8 means overall result also divided by 8. What is the overall result? 90 minus 12 divided by which one? 8. 90 minus 12 means 78 divided by 8. 2 how many times? 39. 2 how many times? 4. 39 by 4. 9 3 by 4. Next question number 9. A container shaped like a cylinder contains ice cream whose diameter is 48 centimeters and height is given 30 centimeters. The ice cream is to be filled in cones. Ice cream is to be filled in cones of height 4 centimeters and diameter 8 centimeters. Are mounted with any sphere. The number of such cones can be filled. Okay. Actually, a container shape or in which shape? Cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape container. Okay. It is converted to which one? Cones. Okay. The ice cream is to be filled with which one? Cones. But one condition are given. Are mounted with which one? Hemisphere. Means bottom are cone shape or not? Bottom are cone shape. But upper portion are hemisphere. Okay. Actual ice cream in which container? Cylindrical container. The same ice cream quantity it is converted to which one? Number of cones or not? Okay. But in cone, what is the upper portion? Hemisphere. Bottom portion? Corner. Okay. Means total content of a cylinder it is converted to number of cones and hemispheres. Ice cream bottom part and upper part also. Okay. Means total volume of a cylinder it is equal to volume of a upper portion plus volume of a bottom portion. Volume of a upper portion means volume of a hemisphere plus volume of a bottom portion means volume of a corner. Okay. Means one larger diagram is converted to number of smaller diagrams. Okay. Then we return number of diagrams, it is equal to volume of, it is converted to number of cones or only one cone? Number of cones means multiplied by which one? N or not? It is converted to only one cone or number of cones? Number of cones means right hand side volume multiplied by how many times? N times or not? What is the each one volume? Volume of a hemisphere plus volume of a cone. But how many cones are formed? N cones are not? Means multiplied by how many times? N times. What is the volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h by volume of a hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube or not? Plus volume of a cone 1 by 3 pi r square h or not? And numerator pi, denominator pi cancel or not? Okay. In numerator, that is the measurements of which one? Cylinder or not? What are the cylinder measurements? Diameter is given how much? 48. Radius 24. Then we return 24 into 24 into height is how much? 30. By denominator measurements 2 by 3 common or not? 2 by 3 common. And one more, same radius or different radius? Same radius. Cone radius and hemisphere radius same or different? Same. Equal radius or different radius? Equal radius. Means which one is the common value? 2 by 3 r directly written 2 by 3 into what is the r cube? What is the radius here? Diameter is 8. Radius are 4. 4 into 4 into 4 plus second one 1 by 3 into 4 into 4 into what is the cone height is given? 4 multiplied by 4. What is the denominator common value? 4 cube. What is the remaining value? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Numerator 24 into 24 into 30 by denominator 64 into 1. Okay. 8 how many times? 24. 3 times. 8. 8 times. 8 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 3 into 30. 270. How many cones it will be converted? 270 cone shape. Next question number 10. In an equilateral triangle PQR, ABC are the midpoints of sides of a triangle. In the quadrilateral ABCQ, the lengths of diagonals are 5 centimeters and 5 root 3 centimeters. Then find the area of the triangle PQR. First of all, equilateral triangle PQR is given and ABC are the midpoints. Here it is A, this is B, and this one C. Midpoints means total triangle is converted to how many triangles? 4 triangles. Total triangle is converted to how many triangles? 4 triangles. What is that? And ABCQ, the lengths of diagonals are which one? 5 centimeters and 5 root 3 centimeters. ABCQ is a quadrilateral. ABCQ. It is a quadrilateral. Okay. What is the diagonals are given? One is given how much? 5 centimeters. Another one are given 5 root 3 centimeters. Quadrilateral. Diagonals are given. What is the area? Half into what is the D1? It is the D1. This one D2. Quadrilateral diagonals are given. It is similar to which one? Rhombus. This side are equal, this side are equal or not? Because exactly midpoint means total side is cut into equal parts. these side are equal, this side are equal, means these two sides also equal or not? It is rhombus or not? But diagonals are different or not? One is A to C, another one B to Q or not? For the area, half into D1 into D2 or not? D1 into D2. That is how many triangles area? Two triangles are not? A, C, Q. One triangle or not? What is the another triangle? A, B, C or not? But total diagram is how many triangles? Four triangles or not? 1, 2, 3, 4 or not? It is how many triangles area? Two triangles. Multiplied by 2, we are get the total 4 triangles area or not? What is the pink color portion area? Pink color is one triangle or two triangles? One triangle or not? Pink color is how many triangles? One triangle. Green color also one triangle. Total how many triangles? Two triangles. But A, B, C, Q is two triangles or only one triangle? Two triangles or not? Means two triangles area is how much? Half into D1 into D2. But we require total four triangles area or not? Means it will be double or triple? Double. Multiplied by 2 or not? 2 get cancelled or not? What is the D1 value? 5. What is the D2 value? 5 root 3. What is the answer? 25 root 3 or not? Next question number 11. The river of length is 840 kilometers and a man rows down with a speed of x plus 7 kilometer per hour and rows up half of the distance with a speed of x plus 1 kilometer per hour. If the total time taken for the whole journey is how many hours? 140 hours. Then what is the value of x? What is the distance are given in downstream? 840 kilometers or not? Downstream distance 840. But upstream distance is half value or double value? Half value. Means upstream distance is 420 or not? What is the downstream speed? X plus 7 or x minus 7? X plus 7. What is the upstream speed? X plus 1 or not? Distance by speed to distance by speed. We are get the total time or not? What is the total time? 140 hours or not? Simplify this one, we are get the x value or not? Okay. Substitute the x value 5. Substitute the x value 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 840 by 12. 70 or not? Next, 5 plus 1, 6. 420 divided by 7 or not? How many hours? Sorry, 420 divided by 6. 420 divided by 6 means 70. Total 140 or not? X must be how much? 5. Next question number 12. If the mode of the data 17, 21, x plus 3, 19, 2x minus 11 and 23, 17, 21, 32 and 19 is how much? 17. Mode means repeated number or not? Okay. Means here mode value is how much? 17. Mode 17 means 17 is the repeated number or not? Repeated number. Here already 17. Here 21 and 21 is how many times? 2 times. 19, 19 how many times? 2 times. But 17 also how many times? 2 times. But mode is given 17 or 19? 17. Mode is given 17 or 19? 17. Obviously 19, 19, 21, 21. It is not a mode value. Means already 17 how many times? 2 times. Means x plus 3, 2x minus 11 also it is represents 17 value. Yes or no? X plus 3 equal to how much? 17. Then x value 14 or no? Next another one, 2x minus 11 equal to how much? 17. Then x equal to 14 or not? Okay. Either x plus 3 value 17 or 2x minus 11 also 17. Then x must be how much? 14 or not? What is the question here? Find the mean of the numbers 14x, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 6 and 21. First one is how much? 14. X also 14. 2x minus 1, 27. 2x plus 6, 34. 21. But we required mean. Mean means average. Sum of the all the observations by number of observations. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 27, 55. 34 plus 21, 55. First three values 55, last three values also 55. Total it is 110. Divide by 5. We are getting 22. Next question number 13. A salesman get a commission of X person on 5,000 worth a sales of and Y person on the remainder. When his sales were 11,000 and his total commission was 2,400. When his sales were 8,000 and his total commission was 1,800. What is the value of X? Okay. What is the first time sales? 11,000. Out of 11,000, first 5,000 sales, what is the commissioner offered? X person. Remaining sales, Y person. Out of 11,000, 5,000 sales, remaining 6,000 sales. But first 5,000 sales, what is the commissioner getting? X person. Means X percent of how many rupees? 5,000. Plus, what is the remaining sales? 6,000. In that 6,000, what is the commission value? Y person. These two are adding, we are getting the total commission received for how many rupees? 11,000. What is the total commission? 2,400. That is total commission from 11,000. Next, another is sales were how much? 8,000. That 8,000 sales, first 5,000, remaining how much? 3,000. First 5,000 sales, what is the commission value? First 5,000 sales, what is the commission value? X percent. Remaining sales 3,000. In that 3,000, what is the commission value? Y percent. Both are adding how many rupees? 1,800. 1,800 is the commission of how many rupees? 8,000. 2,400 is the commission of how many rupees? 11,000. In first equation, percentage two zeros are cancelled. Left hand side 0, right hand side 0 cancelled. What is the first equation? 5x plus 6y equal to how much? 240. Second equation, percentage two zeros cancel. Left hand side 0, right hand side 0 cancelled. What is the remaining? 5x plus 3y equal to how much? 180. Okay. Solving both the equations, 5x cancelled. Difference is how much? 3y equal to 60. Y value is how much? 20. Wait. 3y equal to how much? 60. What is the question here? What is the value of x? Substitute the 3y value, second equation. What is the 3y value? 60. 180 minus 60 or not? 120. That is equal to how much? 5x. 5x equal to 120. The next value 24. Next question number 14. On a given day, Geeta typed an essay of 9,100 words in 40 minutes. The next day, she typed the same essay at a speed that was X% faster than the previous day speed, and in 12.5% less time than that of the previous day. What is the value of X? What is the previous day work? 9,100 units. Today also same words or different words? Same words. Means work will be constant or changed? Constant. When work is constant, speed and time inversely proportional. Or work and efficiency, time and efficiency inversely proportional. Yesterday time, previous day speed and in time 12.5% less time than that of the previous day. 12.5% less time. What is the fraction? 1 by 8 means yesterday time is 8 parts, today time is 7 parts. That is time ratio. Time are 8 is to 7 means what is the speeds ratio? 7 is to 8. Speed means efficiency. Yesterday's speed is how many parts? 7 parts. Today's speed 8 parts. How many parts are increased? 1 part. 1 upon which one? 7 or 8? 7 becomes 8. How many parts are increased? 1. 1 upon 7 multiplied by 100. What is the answer? 14 2 by 7. Question number 15. Skipper. Question number 16. XYZW is a trapezium in which XW is parallel to which one? YZ. XY equal to ZW and it is also equal to 9 centimeters. YZ equal to 3 root 3 centimeters and angle XYZ equal to 150 degrees. Then what is the area of the trapezium XYZW in square centimeters? And here XYZ is a trapezium in which XW is parallel to which one? YZ. Numerator of top portion YZ, bottom portion XW. XW is parallel to which one? YZ. And XY value and ZW value are equal to which one? 9 centimeter. This is 9 and this one also 9. Next, YZ equal to how much? 3 root 3. Means this YZ equal to how much? 3 root 3. 3 root 3. XYZ angle is given how much? 150 degrees. 150 degrees. 150 degrees means this angle is given how much? 150. XYZ angle is how much? 150. If it is 150, opposite angle is how much? 30. Okay. And one more, it is height of the trapezium. Height of the trapezium. And one more, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. What is the angle are given? 30 or 40? 30. Suppose if it is point P are taken. Okay. PZ is the which one? Height of the triangle. PW is the base value. If it is PW, here it is QX. QX value and PW value same or different? Same. Suppose PW we are getting A means QX also A. Total base value QX, PQ, PW. Yes or no? Actual trapezium, this is we are consider which one? A. Top portion we are consider B. What is the area? Half into A plus B into height or not? What is the area of a trapezium? Half into A plus B into which one? Height or not? That is the distance between two parallel sides or not? Okay. First, it is 30 means we written cos 30 or not? Cos 30. Cos 30 equal to PW by which one? P Z or not? PW by which one? 9 or not? PW by 9. Because it is 30 means we written PW by which one? WZ or not? Okay. Cos 30 means we written root 3 by 2. That is equal to PW by 9 or not? Then PW equal to how much? 9 root 3 by 2 or not? If it is 9 root 3 by 2 means it is also 9 root 3 by 2 or not? And we know the hypotenuse value, we know the base value. Obviously we are getting the height value or not? Okay. What is the 9 square? 81 minus 9 root 3 square by 2 or not? that is equal to which value? Pz square or Pj? Pz square or 81 minus 9 root 3 means 81 into 3 by 4, that is equal to which one? Pz square or 4 into 81 and 81 into 3, what is the difference? 81 by 4 or 4 into 81 minus 81 into 3 by 4, that is equal to which one? Pz square. Then Pz equal to how much? 9 by 2. Pz value 9 by 2. What is the question? Area. Area means half into a plus b or only a? A plus b. Just 1 minute. What is the yz value? 3 root 3. Yz 3 root 3 means qp also 3 root 3. This is 3 root 3 or not? Okay. What is the total a value? A equal to how much? 9 root 3 by 2, 9 root 3 by 2 plus 3 root 3 or not? 9 root 3 by 2 plus 9 root 3 by 2. 9 root 3 or not? Plus 3 root 3. 12 root 3 or not? A equal to how much? 12 root 3 or not? Next, b value. What is the b value? 3 root 3 or not? Then a plus b means 15 root 3 or not? Into, what is the height value? 9 by 2 or not? 59 is how much? 135 root 3 by 4 or not? Seventeenth question. The sum of the squares of two positive numbers is 74 if the difference between the given numbers is 16 2 by 3% of their sum. And what is the question here? Find the largest number. What is the 7 square? 49. What is the 5 square? 25. A value written 7, B value written 5. What is the 7 square? 49. What is the 5 square? 25. Different sum will be 74. What is the second condition? Difference of the numbers is 16 2 by 3% of which one? Their sum. Means 49 plus 25, it is how much? 74. Difference between the given numbers is 16 2 by 3% of their sum. Difference means 7 and 5 difference. 2 or not? What is the sum of these 7 and 5? 12 or not? 2 is in 12, how much fraction? 1 by 6 or not? A minus B is, what is the A minus B value? 2. What is the A plus B value? 12 or not? 2 and 12 means it is 1 by 6 or not? 1 by 6 means what is the percentage? 16 2 by 3% or not? Then A is how much? 7. B is 5. What is the question here? Largest number or smallest number? Largest number. Actually 16 2 by 3% means what is the fraction? 1 by 6 or not? Means A minus B is represents 1 part, A plus B is represents 6 parts or not? Simplify this one, we are get the A and B ratio or not? Okay. Or directly we are taken 7 comma 5 assumption. Next question number 18. C power A power B equal to 1. C power A power B equal to 1 means C must be 1 or not? Yes or no? Next, B power A power C equal to how much? 64. 64 means it is 2 power 6 or not? A power B power C means it is 36. 36 means written 6 square or not? Okay. Then B value are how much? 2. A value 6 or not? Yes sir. What is the 6 square? 36. 6 power 2 power 1. 6 square or not? 2 power 6 power 1. 64. C value 1, B value 2, A value 6. We required which one? 6AB plus BC minus AC. 6AB means 72, BC means 2, minus AC means 6. 74 minus 6, 68. Next question number 19. A merchant claims that he is selling rice at 18 rupees per kg, which cost 25 rupees per kg, but he is giving 840 grams instead of 1 kg. What is the profit or loss? If you are checking either profit or loss, means quantity in both the cases same or different? Same or not? Okay. What is the cost price of 1 kg? 25 rupees or not? But how many grams are giving? 840 grams. 1000 grams cost price, 1000 grams cost price is how many rupees? 25. Cost price case 1000 grams is how many rupees? 25. What is the 840 grams cost price? 840 grams cost price. 0 0 cancel. 25 how many times? 4 times. 4 how many times? 21. Means cost price of 840 grams is how many rupees? 21 rupees. The selling price of 840 grams is how many rupees? 18 rupees. Sir. We know the cost price of 840 grams and we know the selling price of 840 grams. Profit or loss? Loss. How many rupees? 3. 3 upon which one? 21 or 18? 21. 3 by 21 multiplied by 100. It is 1 by 7 or 1 by 8? 1 by 7. What is the answer? 14. 2 by 7% loss or not? Next question number 20. The numerator of fraction is 8 less than the which one? Denominator. If the numerator is decreased by 1 and the denominator is increased by 6, then the denominator becomes 6 times of the numerator. Okay. Numerator is 8 less than the which one? Denominator. Suppose denominator we written A, the numerator A minus 8, that is original fraction or not? Okay. If the numerator is decreased by how much? 1. What is the new numerator? A minus 9 by denominator is increased by 6. Then we written A plus 6. That is equal to denominator becomes 6 times of the which one? Numerator. Means numerator 1 part, denominator 6 parts. Simplify this one, we are get the A value. 6A, A, difference is 5A. 6 9s are 54 plus 6, 60. 5A equal to 60. A value 12. But we required original fraction. Original fraction means what is the numerator? 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 means 4 by 12. 4 by 12 means 1 by 3 or not? Verification also possible, but verification 2 possibilities are there.